hair tutorial.
So the key is to leave the ends out, and you're going to work on this area.
A tutorial on how to do beach waves, because a lot of people just don't know how to do it or how to get that exact curl where it's not really a curl, it's kind of more just like a bend with leaving the ends out. So my hairdresser Carlene and I filmed a tutorial on how to do it and how, like, the temperature, how not to put it too high, kind of more medium temp, so that you don't get that. It gives you more leeway. It's like using a light hand when you do your makeup versus using a heavy hand that I have talked about in other makeup tutorials. So check that out, or listen for that, and I will do another one with her at a certain point with a little bit more curl. This was more of a relaxed beach wave, and I just chopped my hair, so it's a very big trend that has been in now for, gosh, like 5 years now, I want to say that, or even probably longer, and it's not going anywhere. So it's just a fun, easy way to do your hair. You can actually even leave it for a few days and it will still look pretty good. I mean, you may have to go in and bend some little sections, but just a quick, easy way, a little change from just a normal flat iron or blowout. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.
So the key is to leave the ends out, and you're going to work on this area.
Let's go, kids. Later on.
Do you put product on before, or do you?
I usually just do afterwards.
Okay. So just after you blow dry,
Your hair will hold it.
yeah. If they have fine hair, would they?
Then you're probably going to try it out. But you know, really work on this, and never, you can tap those ends just to smooth them, depending on the hair texture. But
and you can use any curling iron, or do you have to use the barrel ones that you always see everyone using? It doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it doesn't really matter.
Carlene just gave me a fresh highlight, guys. Nice and blonde. And we just blow dried it because I have wavy hair, so I can't just dry it naturally. And do you go different directions on each, or do you just keep it the same direction?
I kind of like these going back.
Yeah, that's
kind of more away from the face. And you don't really need to do all of it always either,
just kind of take
You're not looking for that. You can leave a lot of these underneath, pull some of that over.
She's very in right now with the style being short, like a beach wave.
Yeah.
It seems like everyone's doing it now.
You can do some a little bit tighter than others,
And they last a couple days, right?
Yeah,
you can.
Or just, freshen it up tomorrow with adding a few more in there. But
see how that looks, guys? Or it's not real curled, but it kind of gives you that fresh,
just a nice
out of the ocean.
Next to us,
Carlene's the queen of beach waves. The front ones you definitely want to go back on. Do you do yours every?
if it's too curly,
just kind of run your hands through it a couple times
before it cools.
Oh, before. That's a good tip.
Yeah, before it cools. You don't want to let it be too curly while it's hot and then smooth it out because it's too late. You want to.
And I noticed you kind of smooth it before you curl it, like a flat iron almost.
Yeah. Just leave those ends out.
It seems so simple, but sometimes I get the curl in too tight.
Overthink it. Yeah.
I think that's the key too, is don't. And how long should you leave it in that? Just a second? You don't have to leave it
seconds.
5 seconds or so.
No more.
If you like it a little bit curlier, leave it. If you want it looser, just run your hands through it while it's hot.
Do you put it on a high temperature for your hair?
No, they say keep it on medium.
That's good to know too, because I think I put it on
Gives you more
high.
control. If you've got it up too high, it's going to get it too tight of a curl. Yeah, if I were to crank it on this, it'd give you a super tight spiral.
Yeah, that's where I go wrong. So that's going to be the key, guys. If you're doing beach waves, do not put it on the highest. No matter what texture hair you have, right?
Like medium high, but not high. I find that I can get more control over it.
Yeah.
Just medium.
I guess they came and found
It's a
her.
huge. And is it true you don't want to put too much product
What is
either,
it?
because then it can kind of
Yeah, not a whole lot.
And in the back, do you just do the top layer or do you do the bottom layer too?
I'm gonna do the top and then
Some of the bottom.
work my way down to the bottom, but I'm not gonna do all of the underneath. I'm gonna leave a lot of that underneath, just the way it is.
Is it the same rules apply whether you have short hair or long hair?
Yes.
It doesn't matter whether you have really long hair or more of a shorter style.
Yeah.
It's gonna curl in sporadic areas.
Have you guys ever kept it?
With long hair, you're just going to run it around the barrel a few more times.
Okay, that's
It's really pretty much all
the
it
only
is.
difference.
And back here, you can kind of go different directions with it.
And when you're doing it yourself, is a certain angle you need to hold it, or does it really matter?
No, not really. Yeah.
No, I think it's been there.
See how she makes it nice and smooth looking still. That's what I love about it.
If you were to take this curling iron and run it all the way down to the ends, it's going to be too curly.
Yeah, that's and frizzy. It looks frizzy that way.
Yeah.
What's the key to not getting crinkles? I notice, like I've even done it, and I'm experienced with the curling iron, but I know a lot of people in the beginning.
Clamping that curling iron down too hot, and if it's too hot.
Okay, that's when it gives that like that.
People have the problem with the flat iron also,
Yes.
letting it sit on the hair at that moment too long.
Too
A
long.
couple
Okay.
of
And then
just wandering around under our table and everything.
mainly if it's too hot,
They're mean.
you'll end up with those little lines or creases.
Which are really hard to get out. I've noticed, like,
Yeah.
really you can't, you almost
Yeah.
have to wet the hair and start all over
Yeah,
again.
yeah, you kind of do.
This is fun because you can give your short hair a little something different than
Yeah.
And I think sometimes it almost takes a little bit longer though than flat ironing it, because you have to really be precise in where. You think so?
faster.
Okay, faster.
Because you're
That's
not
good to
doing
know.
all the hair. You're not doing the whole head.
That's true. And you don't have to flat iron it. Just blow dry it. And
Yeah.
just each way.
And
See how I like
it's
how
just
you did that.
it's just
You
such a
pieced it.
small amount of curl on it, you know. So
You can kind of style it however you want. Part it in the middle, part it to the side.
some people like it a little curlier, but
No, I like this
I
where
think
it's like the
just
perfect amount.
just
Yeah.
a little bit of wave on it.
Yeah. Otherwise, it gets into that old school look if you do it too much curl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think this is good.
I like it. And you can tease this part if you want, or you can leave it down however you want to do it.
Christy likes it.
I like it. I like it big. So if you watch my channel, you know I like it big, big pageant. And then you just use hairspray. And this is my favorite too. This is the Kenra. We talked about it before. It's very pliant. It doesn't flexible. Yeah, I like it. I love it. And that's all you use, huh? Just hairspray. Yeah. That's it, guys. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. The great part about beach waves is that you can actually throw your hair back like this and it looks really cute, whether you're going to a wedding or a fun night out. Thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.